Good morning and welcome traders. Today the date is 7th of September, Tuesday. So currently we are in the pre-market session. So let us wait for the market opening and see where it opens and how it reacts. Okay. So I'm anticipating a good gap up in Nifty and Bank Nifty. The global cues are good. So let's take a look at the global market. Singapore Nifty is flat, whereas the European market has closed good, and also US market. So maybe a small gap. We can expect a small gap. So the European market has done well. So right now Singapore Nifty is flat. So let's see. Let's wait for the market opening. Okay. Good morning, Arun. Good morning and welcome. I hope my audio and video is coming out good. So how's your trading going on? So good morning to other viewers who have joined in now. So Nifty yesterday it has traded in a small range. Okay. So today it might explode on any one direction. We have to wait and watch. Since yesterday it was tight range, it has traded in a small channel. So today it will be a narrow CPR. Yeah, thank you, Arun. The media sector is opening very good today. Media, reality, and metal, they are showing good movement. Yesterday also all the reality stocks they did well. So for today, I think Tata Coffee is looking good in the pre-market. So very huge gap up in Tata Coffee. Then IIFL, Wealth Management. Prestige, yesterday also this stock has done well, real estate stock. And it has also closed well, very high. So this trend is going to continue for today also. So Prestige, if you see, in the last 1 month it has given 38%. Last 1 week 15%. Yesterday 13%. So very good move. We can see in the day chart also here. Very good move. It is good. Very good. So you can blindly take a trade in this Prestige today also. It will go. Yeah, good morning and welcome, Abhishek. Those of you who are joining in, kindly keep pressing the like button to show your appreciation and support for my work. And IRCTC was a good stock yesterday. Even today we can expect a good gap up in IRCTC. And yesterday we had India Mart and Soba. They were all doing good. Yeah, yesterday India Mart had marked some targets here. Those targets are also achieved. Soba, all reality stocks like Obira Realty and Soba, they did well in the last 4 to 5 days. So today you can see good momentum coming in the reality stocks. And pharma sector looked weak yesterday. So let us see how it behaves today. So finance is looking weak. Finance and pharma are looking weak. IT did well yesterday also. So even today you can expect all IT stocks to move up. So we got a good rally in Infosys. Okay. So these are the typical sectors what you can choose. You have media and realty and IT. These three sectors you can choose. Okay. Good morning, Sharath. Welcome. How are you doing, Sharath? So another 1 minute, the market will open now. Okay, so the market has opened. I'm good, Sharath. Thank you. Abhishek, I'm from Bangalore, and I know uh, Arun and Sharath are also from Bangalore. I met Arun, the only subscriber I have met, I guess. Okay, so Nifty has opened a small gap up. Let us see if it can sustain. On the monthly chart here, we have the resistance very close to the Nifty level here. Okay, good then. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅವರೇ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಶರತ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅರುಣ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್? ಓಕೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಯಾವಾಗಲಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. Okay, so this is what it is now. Canfin Home, yesterday also it did well. So today also it is doing well, Canfin Home. And then we have Tata Coffee. Pre-market, it was showing a very huge gap up. So it is, let's see if it can sustain. So always better to wait for first few minutes, at least 10 to 15 minutes, to allow the market to find its direction, and then you can look to trade. Otherwise, if you are expert in open market, then you can look to trade. IRCTC shooting up. Anybody looking to buy IRCTC, you can buy. It's shooting up. Yeah, good morning, Namrata. Welcome. Bank Nifty shorting opportunity below 37. Let's see, Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, a lot of buyers are coming right now. So don't short yet. You just wait for some more time. So let's see, IRCTC. So let this initial drive be completed, and then we can look to trade. Okay. Canfin Home, IRCTC, and Cummins India. The Canfin Homes also, the stock is shooting up very nicely. So Nifty made a new high, 17,424, and now unable to sustain. Bank Nifty is getting pushed up. Let us wait and watch. Yeah, Nifty is looking weak now, a little bit. So already the indicator has given you a sell signal here, the pink color candle. You can go short and look for this target 17,355 first target. But I would suggest maybe you can wait one more candle. This can be a trap, initial trap. So better to wait and allow the market to settle down. Okay, this target is done already. So Nifty is falling very aggressively. This is the daily support for Nifty here. Let's see if it can hold there. So meanwhile, Canfin Home is looking good. Looking good and going aggressively. So is IRCTC. Tata Coffee unable to sustain. Nifty clearly looking weak today, Nifty. And Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty, it is already a descending CPR. and little bit wide CPR, so we can expect some range bound movement in Bank Nifty. So any support? These are the next supports for Bank Nifty. The lower targets can be 36,368 and 36,271 if it comes down. Then for Nifty, this was a stop, the lower support. Yesterday's low, that's what it is touching now. The next support, let's see. Okay, can feel moving up steadily. The banks are looking weak. So I think it's going to remain a bit sideways and choppy. Conforma is looking weak. Yesterday also it looked weak. So Infosys is making a morning star pattern. Let's see after this candle close. PVR has found support here, the daily support level, and bouncing up. Same case with Reliance also. Reliance has found support here, yesterday's low, and now bouncing up quite aggressively. So if Reliance is moving up, it will try to push Nifty also. Kotak Bank is looking weak. It is looking very weak. Okay, I just took a small trade here in the Kotak Bank. I had shorted small quantity scalping and I closed my trade. So very nice pattern. Absolutely no doubt at all. Clear downtrend. First candle sell, and then after that continuous same sell signals going on. So Canfin Home and IRCTC, these are the two stocks that we picked in the morning for buying. They're all looking good. I placed limit orders. I missed my orders in both stocks, Canfin Home and IRCTC. So I don't buy at market price right nowadays. I just put my limit order and wait for the orders to get filled. It's okay if my orders are not getting filled. That's okay. I'll cancel the order, but I'll not go and buy at the high location. So I need to improve on my discipline also. So this is the exercise I'm trying to do. So IRCTC, if you observe, See in this month it has given already 13%. Yes, it is. Let's see what's happening with Nifty. Nifty is now stuck in a small zone. So Bank Nifty is down. So that's the lower target. Next target is down here. These are the supports that I have marked from my supply demand zone. See here, kind of clarity what you can get from this indicator is this background is yellow color. If it is yellow, it is bearish, okay? And since yesterday here somewhere we got a sell signal. From there it is continuously downtrend. So this gives you a good confirmation or confluence, multiple confluences, the power of confluence, what you learned in the training. So we have CPR, that is red color, descending CPR, and prices are low, and it has opened low than yesterday's close, and first candle is red low, and all these multiple confluences you can take trade immediately after this, and keep marking your support zones wherever supports are. So has anybody taken any trades? So far, Can Home and IRCTC are the only stocks that I can see are doing good. On the buying side. On the selling side, we have Spandana Spurti Finance Limited. Still, let's check. Is it for intraday, Sharath? Intraday. Don't buy yet. Just wait. Just looking weak. You can check Titan is looking good, aggressive. Titan is good, Sharath, and Tata Steel. Can take chance in Titan. Reliance is shooting up, so made a good recovery. Polycab, Polycab look good. Yeah, Polycab also shooting up very aggressively now. So buyers coming back the pattern, trying to push patterns now. The Reliance looking good, going up aggressively. Hi Shashi, Satish, good morning, welcome. Good morning, welcome Satish. See, this is a reversal setup. So two bars are almost same size but opposite color. There is a confirmation that the selling is going to be reversed here, buying is going to come. This is the first confirmation. Second confirmation is this hammer pattern. Okay. So based on this, in case anybody has already shorted, they can close their trades here, this candle or this candle, and look for buying opportunity. Okay, this target is achieved at a glance. Tata Coffee is looking good. Today it has made a very good pattern, very huge gap up. And Canopy Home and IRCTC, these for these stocks. Okay, this is a re-entry opportunity. Whenever the price is trading too far from the ribbon, it will come back once to take support. So once it finds support here, it's a re-entry opportunity. Yeah, then IRCTC. Very smooth and steady it is going. No, Nifty was not reversed from CPR. This is CPR. Came back, then it just touching the CPR. Should try to break CPR. Let's see. Yes, Nifty has retested CPR, but my indicator is still showing complete all the candles in the pink color, means it is bearish bias. So should not look for buying. That's what it is telling. Okay, good, Abhishek. If you have shorted at it's called BC. You say BC, yeah, it is actually BC. So if you have shorted here, you should have booked your profit here. Yesterday's low is the ideal location here. The green dotted lines you see here. Yeah, you should have booked your profit here, first profit booking. If you are still not booked, and if you are still in the trade, maybe you can hold until you see a green candle appearing on my indicator. You can hold it. So Bank Nifty also is looking very weak today. Here, after the first candle, you could have gone short here. This was one location to book profit. So I released indicator, CPR indicator for free. So those of you, so you can go to library and Telegram and type CPR by pivot edge. So you get this indicator, CPR by pivot edge. You can put that. So here you see first candle, it gave a sell signal. This is Bank Nifty, and it came almost very close to the support S2 here. S2 support. Okay, even this also has a background also, and candle coloring also is given here in this indicator, and this indicator is available for free. You can try. It's in public folder. And now here you see this first rejection from the R1, then it came down almost PDL, yesterday's low. It found support here, green candle to go long here. It went long. CPR and TCBC, it is again getting rejected there. Rejection, again a sell candle. So if you want, you can use this indicator. People who trade using CPR concepts, this is available for free. You can use. Okay. See, this is the extreme reversal setup, what I teach in my training. After a big candle, extreme candle, which is 3 to 5 times, here also. First reversal candle you see, after that, go short there, and the base of the candle you can keep your target. This is your entry for short. This is your target. Stop loss is just above first candle. Same case here. This is your entry, and this is your target. Can keep target here. It's coming towards target. Stop loss just above your first candle. So this is called a extreme reversal setup. Smart ribbon, as the name suggests, is very smart. So it is going to give you the change in the direction, trend direction, very quickly, very quickly. Will Nifty touch 350? Yes, it should touch daily support here, already tested. So it might test once again 350. It might test. Yeah, Satish, so you were asking what is the advantage or uniqueness of the smart ribbon. So smart ribbon will tell you the change in the trend. Okay, if it is orange, it is bearish. As long as it is orange, you can be in the trend on the sell side. And if it turns blue, then it is on the buying side. Here, turns blue, then all the candles will turn green. You can go long buy. That is based on the strength of the trend, Satish. For example, if it is thick, then the trend is strong. Here, if it is thick, then trend is strong, bearish. If it is becoming very thin, for example, here, if you see, this blue color is very thin. You can understand that this buying strength or the bullish strength is not very strong, so that's why it came back again. So based on the strength of the trend, the thickness will change. See here, so it is very thick here, all throughout went very thick, so you can expect the trend to be strong and continue in that direction. And when it is thin, very thin like this, trend will be very weak. This became a sideways zone. First thing is, it should be trending either up or it should be trending strongly down. You should take trades only where it is trending up or down. Whenever it is flat like this, and also when it is very thin, you should avoid taking trade. You will be stuck in a choppy session. That's how this indicator is built. So now Tata Steel, you can see the selling strength is building up here, going down. So Nifty, yeah, Nifty is looking thick. So it means to say already this thickness here, it gave this moment. Selling strength was strong, and now it is reducing. You see this. Until this it was thick and orange, so now it is reduced. Sunny, you have CG Power 500 shares at 80. Let's see CG Power. So it is actually now started selling off. Last 3 days you see big red candles, so maybe you should have booked some profit already. After you see this big candle, you should have booked profit. Now you can book profit because big 3 candles, big sell-off. So whatever profit you had, I guess you lost. Should have booked partial profit. If you are having at 80, I suggest you quickly book your profit and look for re-entry later. Or if you want to hold, then this will be your stop loss. I can give you a stop loss. It's 86. So this blue line already some targets. This green line will be your stop loss, 86. So if this price closes below 86 in a 30 minutes candle or 1 hour candle, then you can exit completely. If you want to wait, otherwise at current market price you can exit, book some profit and exit. It is looking weak. See here it is showing already. This month it can compared to the earlier month, it is 1.5% up, whereas this week it has fallen 4.5% down, and today it is 2.5% down compared to yesterday, and 2 hours also it is down, so very bearish. switch power. Bank Nifty breaking the day support. Let's see. This is the demand zone. This is what it is appearing. So if I have to draw the zone here, it should break this, the low of this boundary. If it breaks, then this is the next target down below. So that is how it is. This complete zone will be a support zone here. This, so it can find support anywhere here, then again still bounce. And for Nifty, similarly, this became a demand zone. TZ, it is showing demand zone. So I'll mark a demand zone here. So your Nifty has to cross this. If it crosses this, then these are the next lower supports. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think Nifty broke. See, can you understand the beauty of this indicator? A complete all the candles here. Even though it just gave a reversal, it was still painted pink color. Mean to say, it is only bearish. Don't look for buying opportunity. That's what it is telling you. Yes, possible, Abhishek, it is possible. See, this is one support here. If it breaks, then this is the next at 17,295. Looks like it is breaking. Yeah, polycab short up. Okay, polycab went very smoothly up. Then we had Canfin home. Then IRCTC. This is the demand zone that I have drawn, and exactly there you can see some reaction. Some buyers try to push it up. So this is a buyer's zone. You cannot be sure about that, Kapish. Not necessary that every time Virgin CPR will be acting as a strong support. You can test. So I think you have studied a lot about CPR. Have you done any course? Nice, good. Yeah, Nifty futures. This is Nifty futures, Abhishek. It came down. Nifty is coming down and Bank Nifty also is coming down. All the targets that we marked is achieved here for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is still looking to go down. Whereas Nifty also cracked. Yeah, Satish, like I was telling you, Virgin CPR 309 levels, what you said, that even that is breached. I told you, not necessary that every time Virgin CPR will act as a strong support. It's not necessary. We have to look for the trend. What is the trend? If it is strong trend or not. See that Virgin CPR also is breached now. Maybe it will try to test the low of the CPR here. Or it can find support from the pivot. This is the pivot, this is the TC and DC. $200. I don't follow moving averages. I don't follow. It is anyway there in my indicator. Hello, nice. Hello Army, welcome. How are you? Hello Vinay, good morning, welcome. So how's the trading going on, Army? Bharat Forge looked weak. Tata Motors. Tata Motors is looking weak today, and it is following the pattern of Nifty, almost same exact like Nifty only. Very closely it is matching Nifty. Today intraday it is looking weak. I was supposed to see Bharat Forge. Bharat Forge looked weak today. Granules. Since yesterday it is looking weak. Then since 2 days. Yeah, granules I had shortlisted for shorting. 306. No, 306 you have to wait. Actually, this is a strong resistance here, monthly resistance. It came here, got rejected and going down. Now, after this closing like this, it is forming a evening star pattern. You see here, this became a doji and this became a bearish candle. This was a bullish candle. So the pattern it is making is evening star. So it can further go down to this support or this gap can come to 286 now further. This is a strong support, this CPR. If it breaks, then this is a gap here. And then the gap 286, 280 can come. 306, maybe it will take some time. No, actually I don't follow much of CPR, even though I've made separate indicators for CPR and I have put here in my indicator also CPR. I don't follow very strictly, rigidly CPR. I only follow Camrilla. So this is the Camrilla. For me, the Camrilla, the levels can be, L5. This is what is L5. So for me, it is taking support of L5. But again, this is not a strong support. This is a dead cat bounce. It will again try to come down. And Nifty, I think you're late already for shorting. It was a opportunity here, and after first candle there was opportunity to short, book profit here. And this was one short, book profit here. Now one more opportunity. Maybe you can take risk and wait for this target 17,250. Some 30 points you can get short here and look for the lower target 17,250, but it will be a risky target since already some move has come. Can be a little bit risky. You can take your chance. 30 points target and maybe 15 points stop loss you can try. What is there in 220? Abhishek, anything there? 220? Sharath, okay, Sharath, bye. Take care. So Nifty Banknifty looking weak today. As we can see, Bank Nifty, we are clearly seeing rejection from the monthly resistance levels here, and after that it is closing low every day. So this can be the next support, strong support 35,900. It can be tested today or tomorrow. Let's see. Or the mid of this range is 36,100. It can be tested today. Similarly, Nifty in some rejection Nifty, but overall Nifty is still looking bullish. So this can be the level to test 17,270. Another 30 points down. That can act as a good support. And then next support is here. $17,150. These are the possible supports. I'll just mark out. $17,150, 17,275. Let's see how it translates for the intraday levels here. Okay, still very far low behind. So So meanwhile, the stocks that are doing good today are Tata Coffee with a very good gap up. We had Canfin Home and IRCTC. So some rejections coming. IRCTC. Yeah. So after hitting the high, some sell off. Polycab and Voltas. Voltas is good on a day chart if you see. Voltas is good, looking good. So this is where we got the bullish engulfing, and after that it has gone up smoothly. And let's see how much it has gained. So far around 17%. That's a good move. Good, Abhishek. Did you are you still holding your trade that you have shorted, or have you booked? Okay, so Nifty Banknifty trying to hold this level now. Until the next support, L6. Zentek already has given very good momentum, more than 100% already. Zentek, yeah, today also you see gap up and circuit break, and just opened up now. So Zentek missed it spotting because my filters are for about 200 rupees value stocks. So I have set my filters for about 200 rupees stocks. Maybe I need to relook and change it to 100 rupees stocks. Because you may get some good stocks which are between 100 to 200 rupees also. So let me modify my filters. Okay, good. Where do you stay, Abhishek, and what do you do apart from trading? That's nice, Abhishek. You trade in futures or you trade in options? G1 suddenly it has come. G1, Greaves Cotton, Reddington. Reddington is looking weak from so many days. Zentek, I told you, it is good. Today it has hit a circuit, so we can hold for some more days. If you bought at 150, still good. Maybe you can partially book some profit and you can hold. That's what I can suggest. Partially you can book profit, but partially you can hold. Let's see now Nifty. What's happening with Nifty? Yeah, Nifty just gained some support here, bounced up. And Nifty also similar track. MHRIL, Mahindra Holidays. Mahindra Holidays also has done well comparatively. This month, so far 8.7% up, can say 9% up. Okay, I think it's time for me to take a short break. I'll be back soon. So here, Nifty has turned green now. After this reversal candle, we could go down. Okay, I'll be back soon.